yeah. What is up, you guys? We're back at another Twisted Society car meet. We got Steve, Robert, and Isaac behind us. Check it out. We got the 350Z lined up next to Steve's Honda Civic SI, and then another SI, and then another Civic as well. So we got, it's pretty cool. We got 8th, 9th, and 10th gen Civics here, plus the 350Z, which is pretty sick. But we're gonna walk around and just kind of see what's up and look at the cool cars. So yeah.
That's not him.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. He doesn't have the stickers on the back.
Who are you talking about?
He said this guy that we met at Twisted Society last week.
Ah, I see. So who's gonna be the first to buy like a truck?
I won't. I know this guy wants one.
Isaac, you gonna buy one?
I've been wanting one, but...
What are you looking for? I don't even know.
That or like the older Nissans, like...
I feel. I don't know anything about trucks, man. I need to like freshen up on trucks because I feel like there's such a huge culture there.
I wish I had this Prelude, bro. Look at that
Prelude,
dude.
You should buy one, man. Is it still for sale?
I think so.
It looks like that, right? It's got the white, it now has white wheels, right?
It's exactly like that. It has white wheels, I'm pretty sure, and it's lowered on Godspeed coilovers.
Oh shoot, we gotta watch out.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh man, dude, that thing sounds pretty good actually. Sheesh. The Genesis always have a special place in my heart, you guys. Story time coming soon.
The Civic Wagon.
Civic Wagon?
Yeah, he's coming around the corner. He's the one that we see at...
no way. Oh, the, what is this? What gen is this?
That's 4th gen?
That's pretty sick, actually. We could have brought the red Miata, the drop top gang. Jeez, this thing is sick. Do you think that? Look at that Truly. You think that doesn't fall out? That Truly down there?
That probably doesn't.
It probably stays there. Extra frame support. That Civic sounded pretty good, actually. This thing is sick. And then this is the MR2. Honestly, they're pretty clean.
This one was at the last Twisted Society.
I feel like they're just gonna be worth a lot someday because like the way they look, and it's rear motor, which is that's pretty unique, you know. Oh, Robert's looking at the Hot Wheels. Okay, we have to look at this. Man, you got the stash over here.
Yeah.
This is why the Walmarts are empty.
No, I have this one for a long time ago.
Oh, I feel cool.
The new ones, I sell it like 3 each or 2 for $5, and the DGMs, I find it in my secret store.
Okay.
I don't want to say where.
I understand.
I find a lot of I find a lot of GDMs over there.
Dang.
So you know, find that this one in the Walmart more.
Okay, yeah, I feel. Shoot.
Yeah.
Man, we got all kinds of stuff. We got the Supras. Z Squad. Yo. 70. Dude, that's pretty clean.
So the truck move. That's the one folding.
Yeah.
His handle's 3 shitty.
Yeah. His pictures on Instagram are actually really good. Oh, dang.
Oh my god.
Clean, man, clean. Halloween City. You think people coming here are more afraid of this parking lot than actually the Halloween stuff in there?
Yeah.
Oh man, the custom headlights. You know, I like custom headlights, but like, there's something that freaks me out about like opening my headlights for some reason.
Like the wiring.
This is pretty clean though.
I know, yeah.
Oh yeah. That one has the blue. That's pretty sick actually. No. That's pretty clean, huh?
It looks like a
JGZ33. This is pretty cool. And the custom headlights are pretty sick actually. Honestly. Dang. Oh, is this a 98?
This is a 6th gen.
6th gen? What year? 2000?
This guy has like really blacked out headlights.
Yeah, pretty sick actually. Oh, he's got spoon wheels, you guys. Spoon wheels. Spoon wheels. Spoon wheels. This thing's clean, man.
Thanks.
Yes, I love the color too.
Thanks. Yeah, I got it in like 3-4 months ago.
Nice. Yeah. Steve, so duckbill, like just like this, or the other kind, the kind that we have, you know?
Put a giant wing on it.
Oh, like a chassis mounted wing.
Huh?
A chassis mounted wing.
Yeah.
Like Alberto's.
Yep.
That one's actually pretty sick.
Hey Johnny.
Yes.
Is that the Z from the listing? That's a 3.7. No.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. Headlights are really pointy. The cops always arrive. Like they always show up at least once.
Yes.
We can put it in the thumbnail now.
Yes.
Same with the tow truck. We got some sick Mustangs down there, parked all cool, you know, and then we got an FRS. Oh my God, we have to go look at the wide body on that 370Z. Dang, bro. This is clean. This is clean. Dog.
I think she was at the last one.
Oh, really?
It's nice though, it's clean.
Yeah. Shoot, the wide body on this thing is unbelievable. That scared me a little bit, not gonna lie. Jesus. Oh my God. I mean, that is wide, man. That is super wide. Like, I respect that. Okay.
It's good.
I respect that. You think drive-thrus are ever an issue? Is it weird? I feel like most of these people come here. I don't think I've seen, we're the only people that are actually looking at the cars, which is cool.
We make an effort to look at everything.
Exactly. Dang, bro. Oh, they're probably closed.
Doors are wide open.
Okay, you guys, we're dipping into the Halloween store because...
Alright guys, Johnny B is pissed.
He's leaving the meet.
Bye Johnny!
There's nothing here for this guy.
Parking will open for 2 more hours.
Oh.
We're moving one of ours already, so yeah, we're trying to get out of the way.
Sounds good. We'll let him know.
He's going to try to get everybody moved towards the middle.
Alright,
So we
sounds
can have our party rolling. We've got 2 more hours.
for sure.
Okay.
So they're trying to push everyone either that way. or
Ah,
that
okay.
way. They're open till 11, and apparently it gets super busy at like 10:59. So
We're killing the game, Robert. We had red, white, red, and now we have white, red, white.
oh,
Okay.
it's amazing.
Are we not just slaying it left and right? Yo, is that Mustang new? I didn't see that roll up.
Oh wow, I didn't say Mustang roll.
Wait, so does that mean we have to drive away? Does that mean we have to leave? Well, we don't have to leave, but we can't stay here. So we have to leave, actually. All right, we're actually getting kicked out now, you guys. So we're headed out. Where are we going? Cops are on their way.
What is this?
Oh, man. Dang. That's freaking king. Is that a Karen? We got a Karen on the scene. Hi.
Property management's asking you guys to leave.
Okay, sounds good. Headed out. You too. Boom. Officially. Yeah. Property management, yeah. Alright guys, I have to show you this, the pickup from the car show tonight. We got the Sugar Rush series, MazdaMiata Reese's. I love Reese's, by the way. And then we got this MazdaMiata, pink interior, yellow. Gotta be a special edition, you know what I mean? So, I always love to collect little awesome rare Hot Wheels, but check it out. We got the entire squad here. We got MyCar, we got Steve's Civic Si, we got Isaac's red Honda Civic Si, and then we got Robert's Kia Optima over here. We got the entire squad here tonight. Pretty awesome. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. We should come here more often. There's pretty good lighting here. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us in today's video. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. Drop a comment if you have any questions, comments. And we have a 5,000 subscriber special coming up soon. You guys are gonna be so stoked. I can't wait for you to see it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace. Peace.